What if I told you that one of the most effective ways to regain leg strength, especially if you've been noticing fatigue, weakness, or sluggishness, doesn't come from the gym or a prescription, but from something already in your kitchen? You might be surprised, but recent studies show that a certain food, when consumed at the right time and combined correctly, can begin restoring neuromuscular function in as little as 12 hours. Let me introduce you to a fascinating breakthrough highlighted in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2023. By the next morning, participants over 50 who ate a specific nutrient-packed meal in the evening experienced measurable improvements in muscle protein synthesis and mitochondrial activity. These two functions, key to energy and recovery, are vital for strength, especially in the legs, which are often the first to show signs of aging. This isn't just about looking better or moving more easily, it's about something deeper: your independence, your confidence, your ability to live fully. When leg strength begins to fade, everything changes. Climbing stairs feels harder, your balance slips, your energy drops. Many blame aging, but here's the real story. It's not just about getting older. The biggest causes are low-level inflammation, chronic nutrient deficiencies, and disrupted circadian rhythms. Simply put, your biological age, not your calendar age, matters more. What you eat, when you eat, and how that food interacts with your nervous system and muscles plays a critical role. In this conversation, we'll break down the neuroscience and physiology behind one everyday food that can dramatically boost leg function when used correctly. You'll discover how it helps rebuild neuromuscular pathways overnight, why it strengthens your muscle mitochondria, how it activates key amino acid signals, and how your body's internal clock makes or breaks the results. We'll also go over a step-by-step plan you can implement immediately. This isn't a gimmick, it's science-backed. Remember, your body can recover faster than you might think when given the right tools. Let's talk neural connection. For decades, we thought muscle atrophy, shrinking due to inactivity or hormone decline, was the main driver of age-related muscle loss. But new research in neuroscience is showing a much more optimistic and practical reality. Instead of muscle loss, many people experience neural disconnection. In fact, studies show that the motor neurons connecting the brain and spinal cord to muscles, especially in the legs, begin to weaken as early as your 40s. That disconnection leads to weaker electrical signals. Muscles don't receive the full message to contract. They still exist, but they're not active. A breakthrough study from the University of Calgary found that adults with reduced leg strength still had viable muscle tissue. The issue: the neuromuscular signals weren't reaching the muscle. In other words, the muscle wasn't dead, it was dormant, and it can be reawakened. Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt off balance or unusually unsteady for no obvious reason? Do your legs tire faster now, even if your routine hasn't changed? That's not just aging, it's a disconnect between brain and muscle. Fortunately, it can be repaired. The spinal cord plays a key role, not just in relaying movement instructions, but in maintaining signal integrity, which depends heavily on nutrients. Imagine your nervous system as a foreman and your muscles as the workers. If the megaphone runs out of power, work slows down, but recharge the battery and everything restarts. How? By supplying key nutrients to the neuromuscular junction, the site where nerve meets muscle. Specific amino acids, B vitamins, and acetylcholine precursors can dramatically improve this connection within hours. The food we're highlighting delivers exactly that. Not just protein, but the right blend of neurosupportive compounds. You're not just feeding muscle, you're reactivating it. Before you try to build more muscle, ask, is your nervous system using what you already have? When it comes to weak legs, signal quality is often more important than size. Now, let's focus on leucine. This is one of the most essential amino acids when it comes to switching the muscle-building system back on. After you eat, your body looks for specific molecular cues, not just calories, to decide what to do. Leucine is one of the strongest signals it recognizes. It's considered essential because your body can't make it. It must come from food. But it's more than a nutrient. It's a trigger. Scientists call leucine an anabolic switch because it activates a key pathway called mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin, which controls muscle growth. Think of mTOR like a light switch and leucine as the finger flipping it. Even in older adults, studies show that a leucine-rich meal can quickly boost mTOR activity, turning on muscle-building processes. This is vital because as we age, our muscles become more resistant to these signals. Leucine can overcome that resistance. Have you ever eaten a protein-rich meal and still felt weak in your legs? It might not be about how much protein you're eating, but whether it contains enough leucine and if you're timing it correctly. Many older adults get enough total protein to prevent muscle loss, but not enough leucine to stimulate muscle growth. Timing matters too. Here's a simple way to implement it. Structure your first significant meal around a leucine-rich protein source. The best options? Eggs, poultry, beef, and especially whey protein. Just 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine, about 25 to 30 grams of quality protein, is enough to turn on mTOR. For fast and effective absorption, whey protein isolate is ideal. It's balanced in essential amino acids and increasingly used by clinicians working with aging populations. But this isn't only about recovery, it's about reconnection. A leucine-rich meal helps reboot the conversation between nerves and muscle fibers. The quicker that exchange resumes, the faster your legs feel strong again. Next, let's talk about acetylcholine, the chemical that actually tells your muscles to move, and the specific food that replenishes it better than most supplements. Every time you stand, walk, or reach, a message travels from your brain, but it doesn't go directly to your muscle. First, it's converted into acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that makes muscles fire. Without enough of it, muscles fail to respond, or respond weakly. Production of this chemical and sensitivity of its receptors declines with age, especially in the neurons connected to leg muscles. That's why small stumbles or sluggish responses become more common over time. Here's where food comes in. Choline, the nutrient used to make acetylcholine, can quickly restore signal strength. A 2012 nutrients review showed that choline intake can increase acetylcholine production in as little as 6 to 12 hours, particularly when movement is required. And the best natural source? Egg yolks. Just 2 eggs provide over 300 milligrams of choline. That's enough to help re-establish neuromuscular signaling. This isn't just theory, it's a practical routine. If you've been experiencing leg weakness, instability, or shakiness, try this. Eat 2 eggs about 30 minutes after waking, ideally with a high leucine protein like whey or cottage cheese. Why morning? because acetylcholine is naturally low after sleep, and neurons are most responsive then. You're giving your body the exact fuel it needs, right when it needs it most. Ever felt stronger after a high-protein breakfast? That's not a fluke. It's your nervous system coming back online. If you don't eat eggs, choline can also be found in soybeans, quinoa, and Brussels sprouts, though egg yolks have the highest absorption rate. And choline doesn't just help muscles, it boosts memory and focus, enhancing your overall vitality. Now let's address another vital factor: blood flow. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. If the vessels supplying your legs become constricted or inefficient, as often happens with age, your muscles can't function properly no matter how much protein you eat. The result? That familiar feeling of heaviness, tiredness, or sluggishness. Blood vessel function depends on nitric oxide NO, a molecule that tells vessels when to widen. And the food most effective at boosting NO? Beets, especially raw or juiced. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide. A 2015 Journal of Applied Physiology study found that older adults who drank beet juice saw increased muscle power in their legs, particularly in fast-twitch fibers, critical for balance and fall prevention. Want to apply this? About 90 minutes before physical activity, consume 1 to 2 medium beets, or 250 to 300 milliliters of beetroot juice. To supercharge the effect, pair this with light movement like walking or cycling. Movement itself stimulates nitric oxide, and when your body is loaded with nitrates, that effect multiplies. Worried about sugar in beets? Their glycemic load is moderate, and pairing them with protein or fiber helps manage it. Here's another layer: chronic low-grade inflammation. It often goes unnoticed, but slowly undermines strength and recovery, especially in the legs. Unlike acute inflammation from injury, chronic inflammation is invisible and ongoing. A 2020 Journals of Gerontology study found that high levels of inflammatory markers like CRP and IL-6 were closely tied to lower muscle mass, even when participants were active and ate well. What happens? Inflammation disrupts mitochondria, increases oxidative stress, and weakens your nervous system's control over muscle fibers. But here's the good news. Some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory tools aren't pills, they're greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, chard, and mustard greens are packed with polyphenols, magnesium, and nitrate compounds that fight inflammation. A 2019 Frontiers in Pharmacology study showed that quercetin, especially found in kale and mustard greens, can reduce inflammation markers within weeks. Start by adding at least 1 cup of leafy greens to your first meal and combine them with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to enhance absorption. You may not notice a difference immediately, but over time, this can lead to better recovery, improved energy, and stronger legs. Finally, let's look at meal timing. Most people focus on what to eat, but when you eat can be just as important, especially as you age. Every time you eat protein, you trigger muscle protein synthesis, MPS, your body's way of repairing and growing muscle. But as you age, this signal weakens due to anabolic resistance. That's why evenly spreading your protein intake throughout the day matters. A 2014 University of Texas study showed that people who consumed similar amounts of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner had 25% higher MPS rates than those who loaded their protein at dinner. Here's your protocol. Step 1. Get 30 grams of quality protein at breakfast, such as Greek yogurt with seeds or eggs with lentils. Step 2. Within 60 minutes of any movement, like walking or stretching, eat a meal with protein and complex carbs, like a smoothie with banana and protein powder, or quinoa and beans. Step 3. Don't overload dinner. Muscles can only use so much protein at once, around 30 to 40 grams. Excess is wasted. When you time your meals strategically, you're not just fueling your body, you're sending powerful messages that say, stay strong, stay active, stay alive. Let's recap. First, nitric oxide boosts leg circulation. Beets are your natural ally here. Second, fast-twitch leg muscles can still be reactivated through blood flow, neural signals, and food. Third, your gut affects muscle and brain communication. Fourth, meal timing prevents anabolic resistance and maintains muscle health. Starting tomorrow, try this. Begin your day with a beet-based smoothie and protein. Walk for 15 minutes, then eat a high-protein breakfast. These small changes can produce real results. Your legs aren't just for mobility. They reflect your overall health. Strengthen them, and you strengthen your whole self. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Health Wisdom. We're here to help you thrive, not just survive, with science-based tools for a better body and life. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.